Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 ways to compress a folder within a USB on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to a USB flash drive. We also need to have a folder ready inside the USB flash drive. We also need to know how to use terminal and the terminal commands. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, now insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer. Wait for that to load, show up on screen. There it is, the Kingston USB. Let's now click on this. The first way to compress the folder itself is right click on the folder and then compress folder to a zip file. That's already done. And now what we can do, if we want, is to change the name of the folder .zip if we ever wish to. Let's just call it file.zip. And so let's now go all the way down to the dock after we minimize Finder for the moment. Let's go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt terminal, open up the terminal, increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size using command plus a couple of times. Now let's clear everything on screen. Let's now change directory to the desktop as well as listing everything on the desktop. And so let's now navigate into volumes and the Kingston USB, CD /V tab K tab semicolon ls-l to list everything within the Kingston USB. There you go. Let's now bring back Finder, decrease the size of the Finder window, move that to the bottom right corner of the screen. And so we are working with the folder that has one image.pdf file document in there. Let's go back to terminal. Now what we can do is, in order to create the zip file using the commands, we need to have access to the folder that we are working with, which is folder within the Kingston USB. The command is zip folder .zip, and then let's call this folder. Press enter, and what happens is all the content inside the folder itself is not created a part of the zip file. So what we then have to do is go up one /I tab return, and there we go. So let's go back to the Kingston USB. If we now try to unzip folder.zip, let's click on this, click on folder 2, there we go. Image.pdf is in the file that we created, the zip file, and then we unzipped that file to get back what we already originally had. So we can now quit Finder, clear all the content within the terminal window, change directory, quit terminal, command E to eject the Kingston USB from the Mac computer. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.